Hey Dan, I got your Deluxe complete. Testing it right now. We're on the normal channel. All right, let's go over to the vibrato channel. Bring up the reverb. Here's your tremolo. Of course, we got the master. Sounds as good as the real thing.